Incap UK is part of the Incap Electronics Corporation. With locations across the world, we're a multinational electronics manufacturer with a truly global reach. Our production facility, based in Newcastle-under-Lyme, is situated in a region of rich pottery heritage in the heart of the Midlands and has excellent links to key national roads, rail networks and airports. Located just a short distance from the world-renowned Keele University and Science Park. The factory has 4,400 square meters of total floor space and employs more than 200 people. Incap has over 20 years' experience in the defense, security and aerospace markets. Its global customers have operations in Europe, Asia and North America. The factory in the UK has grown rapidly by responding to customer needs and providing reliable specialist services. Our award-winning facility brings together the high-level technical capabilities and leading-edge production technologies that are normally associated with multinationals. Our approach to customers is based on partnership and personal service. We provide full turnkey solutions including PCBAs, electro-mechanical assembly, cable and wire harness assembly, alongside a dedicated standalone rapid prototyping facility and maintenance, repair and overhaul services. The future growth of Incap builds on the entrepreneurial, agile and customer-driven culture of our employees, our flexible operational model, as well as our deeply ingrained cost management mindset. We aim to drive consolidation in the industry to benefit from the growth potential and to maintain our cost efficiency and long-term profitability in a sustainable way. If you're a company that would like to benefit from our full turnkey services, then please get in touch.